Losing weight, feeling healthier, having more energy, these are common goals. Two popular diets often come up, keto and low carb. Which one is right for you? That's what we'll explore. Is keto the magic bullet for fat loss? Or does low carb offer a more sustainable path? Let's dive in. The ketogenic diet flips the script on traditional eating. Instead of focusing on cutting out fats, it encourages you to embrace them. This might sound counterintuitive, especially if you've been taught that fat is the enemy. But on keto, fat is your friend, and it plays a crucial role in your overall health and energy levels. Forget low fat. On keto, fat is your friend. This diet is all about consuming high-quality fats that nourish your body and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Think of it as a way to fuel your body with premium energy sources. This high-fat, very low-carb plan pushes your body into a state called ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It's like switching your body's fuel source from gasoline to a more efficient, long-lasting energy source. Basically, your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbs. This shift can lead to significant weight loss and improved mental clarity. When your body is in ketosis, it produces ketones, which are molecules that your brain and muscles can use for energy. Think of it like this. Carbs are like kindling, burning quickly for energy. They provide a quick burst of energy but don't last long, leaving you feeling hungry and tired soon after. But fat is like a log, providing a slow and steady burn. It keeps you energized and satiated for longer periods, reducing the need for constant snacking and helping you maintain a stable energy level throughout the day. On keto, you'll load up on healthy fats like those found in avocados, which are rich in monounsaturated fats and essential nutrients. Avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile, making them a staple in many keto recipes. Nuts, which provide a great source of protein and healthy fats, and olive oil, which is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These fats are not only good for your body but also add flavor and richness to your meals. But hold the bread and pasta. These high-carb foods can kick you out of ketosis and derail your progress. Instead, focus on low-carb alternatives like zucchini noodles or cauliflower rice. By making these simple swaps, you can enjoy your favorite dishes without compromising your keto goals. And don't worry, you can still satisfy your sweet tooth on keto. There are plenty of keto-friendly desserts made with low-carb sweeteners and healthy fats. Think dark chocolate, berries with cream, and even keto cheesecake. The possibilities are endless and you won't feel deprived. Embracing fat on the ketogenic diet can transform your relationship with food. You'll discover new flavors, enjoy satisfying meals, and experience the benefits of sustained energy and mental clarity. So, don't fear the fat, embrace it and let it fuel your journey to better health. Low carb is like keto's more relaxed cousin. It's all about reducing your carb intake, but it's not as strict as keto. You won't be aiming for ketosis here. This means you can enjoy a wider variety of foods. Think lean proteins, lots of veggies, and healthy fats in moderation. You can still enjoy a piece of fruit now and then. Low carb is often seen as more sustainable for the long haul because it's not as restrictive. So, which diet comes out on top? The battle between keto and low carb diets has been raging for years, with proponents on both sides passionately defending their choices. But when it comes down to the nitty-gritty, which one truly stands out? Let's dive deeper into the specifics and see how they compare in various aspects of health and lifestyle. Let's break it down. Fat loss keto often leads to faster weight loss initially thanks to that fat-burning ketosis. This metabolic state, where the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, can result in significant weight loss in the first few weeks. However, it's important to note that this rapid weight loss can sometimes be attributed to water loss rather than fat loss. As the body depletes its glycogen stores, water is released, leading to a quick drop in weight. Low carb can lead to steady weight loss, and its flexibility can make it easier to stick with. Unlike keto, which requires a strict limitation of carbs, a low-carb diet allows for a more varied intake of foods, making it more sustainable for many people. This flexibility can help individuals incorporate a wider range of nutrients into their diet, which is crucial for long-term health. Additionally, the steady weight loss associated with low-carb diets can be more sustainable and less likely to result in the yo-yo effect often seen with rapid weight loss diets. Health benefits. Both diets can improve blood sugar control, which is great news for those with diabetes. By reducing carbohydrate intake, both diets help to stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. Moreover, improved blood sugar control can lead to better energy levels and reduced cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Keto has been linked to potential brain and heart health benefits. Some studies suggest that the high-fat, low-carb nature of the keto diet can support brain health by providing a steady supply of ketones, which are an efficient fuel source for the brain. Additionally, the diet's emphasis on healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and fish, can support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. However, long-term risks and benefits are still being studied for both diets. While the short-term benefits of both keto and low-carb diets are well documented, the long-term effects are less clear. Some researchers are concerned about the potential risks of a high-fat diet, such as increased cholesterol levels and the impact on kidney function. On the other hand, the long-term sustainability of a low-carb diet and its effects on overall health are also areas of ongoing research. Sustainability: keto's strictness can be a challenge long-term. The requirement to severely limit carbohydrate intake can make it difficult for individuals to maintain the diet over time. Social situations, dining out, and even everyday meal planning can become challenging, leading to frustration and potential burnout. This strictness can also limit the variety of foods that can be consumed, potentially leading to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully managed. Low carb, with its flexibility, might be easier to maintain. The ability to include a wider range of foods can make the low-carb diet more appealing and easier to stick with in the long run. This flexibility allows individuals to enjoy a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients, which is essential for overall health. Additionally, the less restrictive nature of the low-carb diet can make it easier to adapt to different lifestyles and preferences, increasing the likelihood of long-term success. Ever thought about ditching plants altogether? The carnivore diet takes low carb to the extreme. It's all about animal products, meat, fish, eggs, and nothing else. While some people rave about its benefits, it's incredibly restrictive and not for everyone. Ready to try? Embarking on a new dietary journey can be both exciting and daunting. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, improve your overall health, or simply try something new, the key to success lies in preparation and mindset. Let's dive into some essential tips that will help you navigate this path with confidence and ease. Tips for success. Whether you're Team Keto or Team Low Carb, here are some tips to get started. First, start slowly. It's tempting to dive headfirst into a new diet, but making drastic changes overnight can be overwhelming for your body and mind. Instead, ease into it. Begin by making small, manageable adjustments to your current eating habits. This gradual approach will help you stick to your new diet in the long run. Don't go cold turkey on carbs. Carbohydrates are a significant part of many people's diets, and cutting them out abruptly can lead to cravings and energy crashes. Instead, start by reducing your carb intake slowly. Swap out refined carbs like white bread and pasta for whole grains and vegetables. This way your body can adapt without feeling deprived. Gradually reduce your intake to give your body time to adjust. This method not only helps in managing cravings but also allows your digestive system to get used to the new diet. Remember, it's not about eliminating carbs entirely but finding a balance that works for you. Next, focus on whole foods. Whole foods are packed with essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. They are less processed and contain fewer additives, making them a healthier choice. Incorporate a variety of whole foods into your diet to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Think about incorporating more fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins into your meals. These foods not only provide essential nutrients but also help in keeping you full and satisfied. Think leafy greens, colorful veggies, and lean proteins. And hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water plays a crucial role in maintaining overall health, especially when you're on a diet. It helps in digestion, keeps your skin glowing, and aids in weight loss by keeping you full. Drinking plenty of water is crucial on any diet, especially when reducing carbs. When you cut down on carbs, your body tends to lose water weight initially. Staying hydrated helps in replenishing this lost water and keeps you feeling energetic. Aim to drink at least 8-10 glasses of water a day. Lastly, listen to your body. Your body is your best guide when it comes to diet and health. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Are you feeling more energetic, or are you experiencing fatigue? Adjust your diet based on these signals. Pay attention to how you feel. Keeping a food journal can be incredibly helpful. note down what you eat and how you feel afterward. This practice can help you identify any foods that may be causing discomfort, or any positive changes in your energy levels and mood. If you experience any negative side effects, talk to your doctor. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have underlying health conditions. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that your new diet is safe and effective for you. Finding your perfect fit. It's personal. There's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to diet. The best approach is the one you can stick with, and that aligns with your individual goals and lifestyle. Some people thrive on the structure of keto, while others prefer the flexibility of low carb. Join the conversation. Share your thoughts. We want to hear from you. Have you tried keto, low carb, or another diet? What worked for you? What were the challenges? Share your experiences in the comments below. Conclusion: the journey to a healthier you. Embarking on a new way of eating is a personal journey. Whether you choose keto, low carb, or another approach, remember that knowledge is power. Do your research, talk to your doctor, and listen to your body. Here's to a healthier, happier you.